Welcome to the mesmerizing world of the Red Sea, a place filled with breathtaking beauty and vibrant life. Here, beneath the waves, lies a world of wonder, coral reefs bustling with life. These intricate formations are home to countless marine creatures. Look around, and you'll find a kaleidoscope of sea life, from dazzling fish in every hue imaginable to playful dolphins and majestic sea turtles. Dive deeper, and you might stumble upon ancient shipwrecks adorned with corals. These relics tell stories of the past, now embraced by marine life. Amidst the depths, encounters with sharks might seem daunting, but fear not, these creatures are guardians of the sea, gracefully moving in their domain. Our oceans are a fragile paradise. Let's cherish and protect this wondrous underwater world. Every small act of care makes a difference. As the sun sets on our journey, remember the beauty of the Red Sea. Let its splendor inspire us to preserve and respect our incredible oceans.